the way they ran the program this season, nakita natin as the season progressed, they were improving a lot. On our end, importante sa amin right now was, you know, the way we responded, like first half na medyo our offense we didn't get anything rhythm-wise offensively. I believe second half we started moving the ball well, leading off each other, and we got the movement.
Thank you to Hal. You have 60 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, and mga crucial yung mga tira mo in the fourth quarter to preserve the lead. So ano masasabi mo na ito, nasa finals kayo ulit, Hal? Okay, say.
Siguro gusto din siya ng confidence po kasi sa finals. Hindi kailangan ko din yung kailangan din ng team namin na parang may mga ganang sitwasyon, parang ready lang sa mga parang bibigay sa amin na ganun.
Thank you to Raylan. You have 13 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, and flat 60. Good numbers for you this afternoon. So ano masasabi mo na ito may chance kayo para may balik yung corona sa team? Okay, say.
Siguro magsisimula po yun sa ensayo namin. Siguro may 1 week preparation po kami. So doon po muna namin sisimulan bawat ensayo po. Bawat practice na bibigyan ni Coach Gould. Harapin namin ang nasa team.
Thank you. QMP, you have 9 points, 19 rebounds, 4 blocks, 3 assists. So now you're now in the finals and you have a shot of winning a UAAP championship in your first and only year. So what can you say?
I think it was a hard-fought game from us. The coaches prepared us for what we needed to do. They said from the start that it was going to be a war going in there, but we have 2 more games we have to lock into.